Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Traders One series. I am Mr. Success Ogbonna, your host on this Traders journey. Guys, I'm super excited being here, and because it's actually the last video on the Traders Hunt series, and it's just so exciting. It's been an exciting journey for all of us here. And for those who are watching my videos for the first time, please ensure to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, give this video a thumbs up, because I am sure by the end of this video you'll be having a lot of value, be taking home a lot of value, because it's where I get to show you just how to trade the market profitably, how I get to break down the markets in the most simplified way possible, where like the most simplified way you can ever find it anywhere else, right? This way I get to break it down to the simplest form to make you understand, to make you know what to expect from the market, to set your projection, set you, and give you that clear picture. I keep this me putting the market at your fingertips so you can trade and profit from the market flawlessly. Alright, again, if you really want to follow me beyond this channel, you want to sign up for my courses, the link is down below from the description section where you get to. Okay, I think I'll be changing the link now to my seller, because I think I'm trying to do some upgrades on my platform. So for now, you can only access my courses and my mentorship programs, my books and all through my seller account. So I'll be dropping the link down from the description section where you can get to visit my seller account, get to shop for any of my courses. This is holiday, guys, right? And what would you rather do this holiday if not to actually go back to your shell, take up my resourceful materials like the Forex Mastery course, the Crypto Mastery course, and also, guys, the new course is officially out, the Synthetics Mastery course, right? Synthetics Indices Mastery course is out, guys, and it's officially out for grabs. So those who love synthetics, for those who love trading the volatilities, the boom, the crash, the jumps, right? This a big party is up for you guys, right? Go grab that course right now. So go to the comment section, go to the comment section, go to the description section, go and start shopping for these courses, right? Invest in your education this holiday, so your next year can marama, so that 2024 can marama for you, right, guys? And also, please ensure to take up these courses, because taking up these courses gives you automatic access to my inner circle communities, right? Where I can get to follow up on you, check up on your growth, track you, and help you become a better trader, right? Become a better and a more profitable trader that you should be. Again, guys, just a lot of events have been going on in the market lately, and I will be sharing so much for you guys today. And guys, again, this is the last video I'll be shooting this year around market analysis, market projection, and also you want to pay keen attention to everything I'll be saying, because in my absence, market is going to be giving you guys a lot of drama, a lot of shit. But then I know you guys will need to come back with this video and watch it again and say, okay, Mr. Success said it, Mr. Success said this, right? So guys, so let's go over to the business of the day. So you know how I do it. I love to look at the XY first. Again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please ensure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Give this video a like, and also leave me a comment, right? Could be a comment of appreciation, or something you want me to talk about, or some new stuff you want me to start doing for you guys in 2024. I would love to see all that on the comment section. Again, guys, 2024 is going to be very massive. It's going to be very big. Not very big for all of us here, because I'll be going on, right? I'll be launching an academy next year, right? This academy is called, I think this is not going to be my last video, last content on YouTube, but it's my last Traders Hunt series, right? So don't get it twisted. Maybe the last video you see me talking market analysis and all that, but it will not be the last time you be seeing my face, because I think I'll be coming out to shed some lights, right, about some stuffs, and also some of the innovations and some of the works we are doing. I'm going to share them with you here live and direct, right? So guys, but then what is the market doing? What should we expect from the market? So this is the XY, right? From the monthly time frame, we can see that we have market has clearly brought us back into this range from the monthly time frame, and it's typical of November and December for the US dollar to lose strength. Right, this is because a lot of persons will be traveling back to their country of birth, right? Country of where they have their families and all that. Some other persons will be will want to sell their dollar to come back to their country. So this massive global selling of dollar to come back to come back home, to spend time with family, to spend time with your loved ones, and all is what usually affects the dollar strength every November, December. So November, December is always bearish for the dollar strength index. The dollar tends to drop in strength in November, December. Right, because a lot of local currencies would be swallowing those periods, and this is why the market has been bullish. Right, this is why the market has been bullish. USD has been buying, gold has been crazily buying since November, December. If you notice, all this have been happening from November to December. Right, November, December. Usually, December is going to be the dollar is going to drop more. Right, I'm expect to see dollar around this base by December. So from January, we start seeing some reversals to the upsides because more persons will now start coming back to their will now be start traveling back to where they came from and all that. So a lot of dollars start people start hustling to buy more dollars to travel back to their base. Right. So again, it's just a cycle. It's a cycle. So your ability to understand this cycle and position yourself accordingly is how you make money in this market. Right? You see how I combine the fundamental facts and how it actually plays out technically on your charts. So this is how you trade, guys. Right? This is how you trade. If you want to make money in this space, this is how you trade. So for me, definitely the December is going to be bearish. So I expect to see this guy drop down to this point. So if you guys are trying to maybe those who have been trying to sell gold are crying. Those trying to sell the markets have been crying because definitely as dollar is weakening, the market is getting strength, gaining momentum. The bulls are riding the markets. Right, the bulls are going to be riding the market. So this is just a fundamental play going on. Right, this is just a fundamental play that is going on in the market. Right. So guys, if you look at the XY from the weekly time frame, you can see it has been bearish since when this is, as you can see, this massive drop was from October 30th, early November. I looked at what we are playing here. So you can see November first week of November, second week of November. Is it first week? This is first week of November, second week, third week, and fourth week. So this is December. We're entering December. So you can see. So though we go to this level and it's looking like there's some opposition, but definitely price is gonna drop down to this base. Definitely this base is calling the market. Right, this base here is calling the market. So if you look at it from the daily time frame, you might start seeing some hiccups. So you can see the market has always been giving us higher lows, is it lower highs, lower low, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high. Then definitely the next is a lower low is about to happen, right? So if you notice after every two bullish candle we drop, two bullish candle we drop, two bullish candle again, another drop is about to happen, right? So I'm just using two bullish candle. It's not like it's a yes, but definitely the US strength index is about to go down. It's about to go down, right? It's just about to go down, right? So some of you have been trying to force yourself to think that you and the XY is selling or the XY is doing what, the XY is doing that is coming down. So forget about it. Some person already no technical analysis. The way you guys like to think. Somebody may just come and say, okay, this is like an inverse in our shoulders. Might be right, child. Anyways, anything is possible in this market, and you think that okay, this guy is now because mapping this trend line, it has broken this trend line, but maybe break and retest before it rallies back. But definitely, what I'm seeing, I notice what somebody is expecting that this break and retest, they extend this trend line is before shooting back up. It's possible. Right, it is possible in the market, but for what I see, 80% is this guy's coming back down to this point. 80%, guys. I'm 80% of this. There might be some go down to this place, maybe pull back, another pullback before we drop down. But definitely, this is the destination of the US dollar index this week, this month. It's going down. It's going down. You heard it here first that we're expecting it at 101. 101. 101 is a destination. 101 is a destination of the US dollar index. So you heard it here first on Success Station, right? That is Success Station, not Synergic Digital Station, right? Or Synergic Digital TV, guys. You heard it here first. You heard it here first, guys. The US dollar index coming down to 101. Personally, I don't like predicting the market, so I just like to look at the market from a scope, from this scope, right? From the scope. Right, so this is what I see. This is what I see playing out. So what about JPY basket? What do you have to say about JPY basket? Right, this guy is a tough guy. I must say the truth. This guy is a tough, very tough, tough dude. But obviously, it's gonna be still go down. It's still gonna go down. Right, this might just be some sideways movements, but it has been bearish for a while. Just last week that we had a strong bullish momentum, so definitely this guy might still come back down. Right, might still come back down. This is from the daily time frame. It's just too rough, and this guy is just too. This dude is just too rough. And this I've not been actually been involved with JPYPS because normal those dudes that those PS have been crazy rough. Right? Those PS have been crazy rough, like crazy rough. Uh, the next thing I'm gonna be looking at them, but I will also okay. One thing I think I'll be doing next year is that I'll also be looking at there are some minor, some interesting minor pairs I'll be talking about from next year, right? A lot of things will be happening next year, right? In synthetics, I'm gonna look at how I'm gonna just see how to schedule my time so that we'll be spending more time together on screen, especially across both crypto and synthetics, right? So a lot of stuff I have coming up for you guys next year, guys. Right, so that's why I would need December to take a break so I can be able to plan properly. Right, so the JPY basket is not really looking cool. So this is why I'm not so cool about the range. Okay, I will not say this. This is for those who pay for my private sessions or those who bought my book, The Trader Psychology Bible. Will have an idea about what I mean by correlation. I want to say something about it now, but let me leave that. So go and get the books. Go and pay for those for those sessions. Right? Go and pay for those sessions so you can get the knowledge. So it's not everything that come here. I just put it through for you guys so easily. No. So informations are paid. You need to pay for it. You need to pay for it. So you can see November. Cool. Right? You can see the X. Let's look at Euro USD. It's looking really cool, even though we are just still around this range, right? Still around this range, but it's looking really strong. The momentum of the buyers is looking good, and December is gonna be bullish. I say expect December to be bullish, so we might be seeing price around this point. So this is me telling you guys for free to prepare for more buying opportunities in the market. Right. So though around here we have been playing this like a range, looking like a range for some days now, right? On Euro USD. But I kid you not, guys, we're gonna be blowing above this cage soon, right? This the price looks as though it has been it's just playing this range, right? But the buyers are still gonna push price above. We're gonna break it out and keep rallying for the meantime. So, but then this is for me but till then, I advise you guys to just play the range, just play the range. You get it from the daily time frame. Just play the range. Now this is the range, so just play the range if you want, if you can, just play the range. But if you don't want to, like myself, that is out of the market for the year, I'm no longer trading, and I'm not taking any positions in the market. No, I'm done for the year. Go to towards being able to achieve or being able to realize from the market. So till next year. So for some of you will be trading, so this is telling you guys is either on Euro USD, we're gonna be breaking past this range. But then for the meantime, I just have to play the range for a while. But I think if you're going to be active in the market, you just have 2 weeks in the market. From the third week of December, the market is going to go quiet till from Christmas week, that Christmas week to New Year. Those 2 weeks are going to be market is going to be sleeping. So you have those next week. You have next week, yes, you have next week to yourself to actively trade the market. From the other week, you should be preparing to close. Maybe you should be preparing to wrap up for the year for some of you, but for me, I've already wrapped up for the year already. I'm done, right? So I'm going to be facing more stuff and some of my some paid. I've invested in some paid classes too for myself. I've also invested in some books I'm going to be studying too. So December for me is usually that time I just want to rest. I want to study. I also want to learn stuff. I play around the market with some key stuff, some materials, resource materials, coaching sessions I have paid for. So even if I myself I'm still paying and investing my knowledge, you shouldn't be sleeping, right? So if you want to make money, go pay for someone's, go pay for people's brain, right? Go pay for people's brain, people's time, pay for it so they can give it to you. Information in this market, information is money, information is key. So the forex mastery course is there for you, the crypto mastery course is there for you. Invest, pay, and get your education, get it straight, get it right with the market, right? Pay and get it right with the market. Right. So guys, this is it. On Euro USD, you're just playing the range, just playing the range like what we had here, but it's definitely going to break out. So it's definitely going to break out. I expect to see that between at least NFP will help us achieve that. NFP is coming up next week Friday, so that's going to be achieved with NFP. So GBPUSD, GBPUSD, you know this guy has been bullish for the longest, right? So GBPUSD has been moving more than Euro USD. So some of us who have been, so those of you who are buying Euro GBPUSD, you guys are on track. You guys are on track. So you can see the dude has just been bullish, bullish all the way. So I actually told you through this trend because I think that was last Friday. Was it on? Was it on? When did I do this trend? I think on Wednesday or so. I looked at this trend and you can see that price has respected. So yesterday it looked as though price wanted to break and drop, but around here I was telling some guys to be careful that this guy is going to buy. Since it has not broken out of this trend line, it was going to buy. And guys, what happened? It just went through. It was playing as though it wanted to drop from here, but I was still telling them guys, for this guy to actually sell, this was what he needed to clear. We need to clear this area. So it does not even clear this area. Definitely it was gonna buy. And you can see clearly it went back up and bought massively for those who paid attention and those who took instructions, right? So this guy is gonna keep buying. So for those of you who miss this buying opportunity around here, you have to wait for the next higher low. Is it higher low, lower high? Higher low, yes. For the next higher low, for the next drop, right? For the next, which is gonna happen soon. I think it's gonna happen soon. But we're gonna be having some cool rallies first before that will happen. So that is all about GU. So AUDUSD, this guy has been my favorite for some time from some of these periods. So this AUDUSD, dude rally crazily to this point, to this trend line. Right, this trend line has been as old as. Right, this nigga here has been as old. You can see on the monthly time frame, this was the first touch, second touch, third touch here, we drop. Every time we touch it, there was a drop. We touched a drop, we touched again, the drop. So we got there again. So I feel okay, fine. This guy's going to drop, but then it's looking like this guy is really strongly bullish. So, which is the reason why I feel okay, maybe price just has it in mind to maybe get to this zone or this one here. So maybe we'll get to this touch, we'll get to this this very significant zone here to touch it. Maybe this is the destination for AUDUSD. So this trend line, you can see this trend line has been looking like it's something that has been nullified. But we touched it before and looked at what we are dropping, but you can see Friday candlestick nullified it because market is pointing not. Market buyers are really strong in the market, right? Buyers are really flexing their muscles. Only the good that I did not, but I saw this buying opportunity from here, and I actually took this short to this point. But this bullish buy from here, I saw it, but I didn't really take it seriously, right? I didn't really take it seriously. This was where I missed the opportunity. Ever since I missed the opportunity from here on AU, I just left it. I didn't really take it seriously anymore. Ever since I missed this opportunity to buy from here, I would have been holding all this money, right? But then it's all good, right? It's all good, right? All good. It's all good from here. It's all good from here. It's all good from here. So this is it. 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 Um. Alright, this is about our budget. So definitely this is the next destination for GU. At this point, all this yellow bar here. So these are the two different destinations for GU. For AUD, I mean, so you might want to wait for some pullbacks to join the trend. The trend is bullish already, right? Although we are touching this important trend line too. So it might finally I would want you to wait for this drama around this trend line to be over before anything else. I'd wait for the at least for price to clear out of this trend line, but definitely it will. Right, wait to see what how Monday, Tuesday will play out before you jump in. But this is NFP week, it's gonna be very slow. Right? It's expected to be kind of slow, except there's another news to inject volatility in the market. Right? So one other interesting guy really I've been looking at lately has been USD card. I've been trading this guy for some time, been making some money out of it for some time. But then definitely USD card, uh, it's coming down to this base. So this way it's coming to, there might be some pullback to this point, right? That has been bearish. If you've been looking at it lately, it has actually been bearish. Right, you can see a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, uh, lower high, lower low. So it came back to form a higher high, but it could not sustain it, so drop back down to equal low. So this is let me see this guy. It's looking too rough for me. Let me look at it again from the time frame. Okay, it's looking like okay, this guy is gonna keep dropping since it's looking like we are broken out of this key support that I marked here. Although this guy has been very rough too sharp. But for the weeks we have been inside for actually for years. Right? Since 2011 or so, we have been inside this. The last time we broke out of it was the first time we broke out of it was 20 August 2011. We broke it again around 2015 January. We broke it again July 2023. Now we are breaking it again December 2023. So this guy might be dropping lower. Right? After this long sideways movement, it might be dropping really, really low. Right? So that is it about that. So again, the next thing is gold. Gold, gold. Okay, let me just clear this from gold. So I remember I told you guys about this zone, that this zone I'm waiting for to see gold before I short. But now I've gotten to this zone, which is all-time high zone on gold, and it's looking like the buyers are still not done on gold. Gold has touched the all-time high. Look at it here, all-time high. We are there already. But I have one of our gold mentors who have been holding gold buy since 2018. Gold has been since around here. Dude has been holding gold buy. Holding gold buy. This is how you trade. Not that everyday thing you guys are we doing in the market every now and then. Those childish stuff you're doing in the market. And also take up an opportunity, hold it and sit there. You say if I perish, I perish with that opportunity. That's how you trade, guys. Alright, so this is gold. Gold is here now, and we have come back there. So the next thing is what is next? That is the question. Are we going to be falling back down because of the resistance, or are we going to keep rallying to form all-time highs, create new highs? That is, creating new highs is very possible with gold right now with the market condition, right? But I feel there might be a drop considering the season. This is a season where people want to spend. People want to spend money. So nobody's this is December. People want to spend money in December. So gold might drop. I think gold might drop from here. Right, so I'm looking at the market from not just from the technical view, but also the fundamental backing, right? So this one period where people might want to temper with investments. So you might see gold dropping a bit. So guys, you would want to maybe from March, April also people might start investing back into gold. But for now, I feel and I think people might want to start selling gold to cash out, take up profit, close for the year and all that. So that might be happening for gold too. So gold, I'm still optimistic on shorting gold from here too. Right, I think I'm still optimistic on shorting gold. Right, I'm still optimistic on shorting gold. I'm still optimistic on shorting gold from this level. So, but let us see how it plays out in the coming days. So let's see how it plays out in the coming days. So I think gold might drop. I think right, it's gonna drop, right? But I'm not 100% on that. Oil. What is oil saying? What is oil saying? Right? What is oil saying? What is oil saying? What is oil saying? So oil has been just playing sideways, right? But it has been falling since when? Since September. Oil, the price of oil has been falling, right? It has been falling, pullbacks falling, falling. So this I feel it might drop down to this base. I think oil is going to keep falling down to this base. So whatever you're doing, watch out for oil. Oil is going to drop back to 66 or so before we eject back up. So this is oil, guys. This oil is going to keep falling, right? Why would oil keep falling? Why would the price of oil keep falling? Ah, is there any fundamental? I can't cannot think of something as to why oil is going to keep falling. Is there any reason? Is there any reason? For now, it's just for now. It's just technical, right? Just technical from a technical point of view. We have been dropping. Yeah, it's definitely gonna drop down to this point. So maybe when we get to this point and all that, maybe OPEC and all that oil news, we're able to give it that effect to rise. But I feel oil is gonna drop. Right? Oil is gonna drop. Oil is gonna drop down to this point. Right? US oil is gonna drop. So if you are trading oil, oil trader, right? You are all the lovers of oil, all the lovers of oil. This is me telling you, I know it's not a good news for you to hear that oil wants to drop, but definitely oil is going to drop. But definitely oil is set to drop. This is a trend. This is a trend line. You can see first touch, second touch, came third touch, and the third touch is always that gives a big move. So it's going to drop down this point. Right? It's going to drop down to this point, to 66. So we had it here, guys. Oil is dropping down to 67 dollars. Right? So 66 is $7. You're going to be seeing oil. 66 is $7. You're going to be seeing oil drop to 66 is $7. Well, it's clear from a technical standpoint. That's what the market is saying. That's what the market is projecting. Right? So I'm from the technical. If the technical is telling you this, more often it's right. More often it's right. Right? More often. So although we are currently sitting on a very important level, so this level is significant, but not to undermine the level, this 74 level where we are. It has every possibility of giving us that reversal. But owing to the season, I feel oil is going to drop down to this point, right? Because I think also with the season, a lot of holidays, a lot of companies, most of these companies, I feel they might just be dealing with their stocks, but productions and all that might drop in a way. So that might uh, if it drops, definitely the price production drops. Okay, I think they have enough on their stocks and all that. But then definitely from a technical standpoint, I think it's going to drop. Like, let me not just say so much about oil, right? Uh, let me not say so much about, but from my own point of view, I feel the oil is going to drop down to this point to 66, 67, right? I see oil dropping to 66, $67 per barrel, right? So that is that for oil. Is there anything else I want to look at? I need to look at. No. So guys, this is about that. So guys, this is like the last video for me to you. So do well to trade accordingly, do well to make the market accordingly, and do well again to invest in your education. Please sign up for these courses. The first mastery course is always there for you for 7. The crypto mastery course is always there for you. And the new course, synthetic indices, on synthetic indices is also available for you. Right? My books are always there for you to get them. Invest in them, invest in yourself, invest in being a better you, invest in being a more resourceful and a more resourceful trader, right? Invest in building this is what gives you money, right? If you're serious about this business, you shouldn't be scared investing in it, right? So there's no way you can make money from this industry if you're not seeking to improve your education, right? If you're not always searching to improve your education. So this is me telling you for free that, guys, uh make do the information I've shared here, and I trust your December is gonna be better, right? It's gonna be fine, it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be your December is umarama, but if you go do otherwise, blowing your account and all that, You're on your own. You're on your own. But this the best I can do for you is this what I've shared with you here, right? Please invest and also subscribe to this channel. Share this channel. Help other traders by sharing this channel, the link to this channel with them. Let them also see, let them also learn, let them also grow, let them also become better traders like you are becoming following my videos, right guys? So from me to you, this means saying have a great trading experience in the market and trade safely, right? Again, I'll be coming down here within one of these days in the week to share some of the stuff I'm doing, some of the stuff we're launching in 2024. So please stay tuned and don't leave the space. Enjoy the market, right? So enjoy the market. So is there anything else I need to say to you guys? Any last words for in the market? My last words will be trade safe, right? You should trade safe and be happy doing the market thing, right? And also, although I'll be coming up here again to share some tips and all that with you guys, but again, have a big, have a splendid trading week, trading experience to the end of the year.